In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post an item on Facebook Marketplace, making it easy to start selling online. Let's dive into the steps to get your listing up and running smoothly. First, let's get started by opening your Facebook app. Depending on your device, you'll want to navigate to the Marketplace tab. On some devices, you might find it at the bottom of the screen, while others will have it at the top. Take a moment to locate this tab, as this is your gateway to a vast community of buyers and sellers. Once you're inside the marketplace, look for the Sell button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you'll see an option to create a new listing. Now, this is where the magic begins. You'll need to upload photos or videos of the item you're selling. You can choose visuals straight from your gallery or directly use your camera to capture new ones. High quality photos or videos significantly increase your chances of attracting potential buyers, so make sure to present your item in the best light possible. Now, let's talk about filling in your listing with essential details. First up is the title. It should be clear and descriptive, capturing what your item is all about. Move on to the price. Competitive pricing can make your listing more appealing. Next, select the appropriate category for your item, whether it's electronics, furniture, or clothing. And don't forget to specify the condition of your item, be it new, like new, or used. Setting your location is crucial. By editing the area section, you ensure that your listing targets local buyers, which can enhance visibility and increase your chances of making a quick sale. You might also want to add more specific details such as the brand, model, or any unique features. This extra information can set your listing apart from similar items and pique buyers' interest. Before you hit publish, there are a few more options to consider. Facebook allows you to hide the listing from friends, should you prefer a little privacy. You can also share the listing in relevant groups or adjust audience preferences, giving you greater control over who can see your listing. Once you're satisfied with the details, go ahead and hit publish. Your listing will go under review before it becomes visible to prospective buyers. Don't worry, this review process is usually quick. And remember, you can manage your active listings anytime through the menu options to track interest or make edits. And that's it. You've successfully posted an item on Facebook Marketplace. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing for more guides. Happy selling!